Hello everyone, this is Shashank and now I'm going to show my fifth exercise of my compiler lab, and this experiment states the stimulation of the DFA, that is DFA means deterministic finite automata, and here I must stimulate the concept of deterministic finite automata. Here this is my Java program where I have done the program for the accepting or not accepting of a DFA, and for DFA and a DFA in the TOC we have learned that DFA is the deterministic finite automata. This is known as deterministic finite state machine, is a finite state machine that accepts or rejects the finite strings of symbols and only produces a unique uh, conception of the automaton of each input string. The deterministic finite automata is q sigma delta q naught and f, where q is the finite set of states and sigma is the finite set of input symbols and transition states as delta and initial state is as q naught and uh, f is the final state. Here let us take an input states uh, for the DFA, and a DFA which starts with the state as S0 set of accepting as states F. The outputs must be yes or no. Let us go to the program here. The scanner class have been created here for the uh, acceptance of the number of states and number of final states and number of trap states and number of symbols in the alphabet. For this the number of scanner class have been used here. Print statements are given. This shows the enter the number of states. This is used to print the number of states here and accept the number of states here. And similarly in this way enter the states integers and enter the final states. This enter the trap states, enter the alphabets of the DFA. All this has been taken here. The transition table we have entered comes here, and from here it shows that um, how much this this shows that the transition table will be viewed here in the x and y axis. So we have given a for loop here to mention it in the x and y axis. Enter the strings in the given alphabet. This shows the alphabets of strings, and here a temporary file is created where temp equal to input dot character for loop is given here, and if statements are used here. If temp equal to alpha p j transition of j comma p, and for I equal to 0 I less than number of states I plus plus. For if I equal to final states of I, system dot println string is accepted, else the string is not accepted. This shows that string is accepted or not. Let us go to the output. Number of states let us take as 6, and number of final states is as 1, number of trap states is as 1, alphabets is as 2, and 0 1 2 3 4 5. Number of final states is as 6, and 5 0 1 0 1. Okay, next is 3 1, next is 2 1, next 2 and 5, type 0 6 4 2 5. Here it's given as the states are given here, and given strings, enter the strings in the given alphabets. Here the strings let us take as 5 and 2 3 3. It's not accepted, hence this is my program for the DFA. And thank you. This is Shashank.